Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about emerald smoky eye. Let's start the eyes with applying the base on the lid. I'm using Kryolan's base here. Now it's the time to set my eyes. I'm using a setting powder. The easiest way to create a smoky eye is by applying a black gel eyeliner. I'm using In Colors eyeliner. I'm going to apply this with flat shader brush all the way from my lash line to the crease. Now I'm using this black shadow before the gel eyeliner dries out. Further, I'm using a brown shadow on the crease and blend my gel eyeliner with it. Now I'm using emerald shimmer just where I've applied my gel eyeliner. The color comes more intense when we apply it on a darker base like gel eyeliner. To add more dimension to it, I'm applying golden shimmer on inner third of the lid. I'll fill in my brows. First I'm using the spoolie side to brush my hair. Then I'll fill in the sparse areas. For the lashes, I'm prepping them with the mascara before I'll apply falsies. And now for my lower waterline, I'll apply kajal. Now onto the lower lash line, I'll apply black shadow and give it a smudge effect. And lastly, I'll use a highlighter to highlight the brow bone and the inner corners. So this was it for this tutorial. I'll see you in my next one.